me. It's so peaceful. Never been to a place that's quite so peaceful. Even the leaves all fall straight down. Almost feel like you're back in time. You expect to see some Indians coming out of the woods. There's some that have built a fire. One's canoeing down this mirror-like lake. And Henry says he does not want to leave. He's staying here.
That's
So
right.
I guess I'll just have to pick him up next year.
Yes. The things of nature that we now behold give us but a faint conception of Eden's glory. Sin has marred earth's beauty. On all things may be seen traces of the work of evil, yet much that is beautiful remains. Nature testifies that one infinite in power, great in goodness, mercy and love, created the earth and filled it with life and gladness. Even in their blighted state, all things reveal the handiwork of a great master artist. Wherever we turn, we may hear the voice of God and see evidences of His goodness.